अस्सलाम वालेकुम। चॉइस न्यूज़ खुसूसी रिपोर्ट में आपका खैर मकदम है। आप हैं एडिटर इन चीफ चॉइस न्यूज़ मोहम्मद महमूद अजहर के साथ। पेश खिदमत है ये खुसूसी रिपोर्ट।
this prestigious and a legendary college, MB Science College, Principal Garu, Dr. Baburao Garu, Vice Principal Madams, and Angana Garu. And my dear students, a very good afternoon. I am really very happy, excited to see more number of women in this college and even the participants. So wherever I go, I will be noticing this. I have this partiality, you have to excuse me, sir. Not that I am not against boys, but you people have ruled for so many centuries. So it is our turn. So this side wing is completely occupied by the girls, and this side also. So I am really very happy. This is what if you say that irrespective of girls or boys, all the students must be equipped with skill enhancement courses, which is actually the need of the hour of the present society. Is it not? So when you, as already always, if you see the the messages or the newspapers from our not for any government or party, I'm just telling these words. If you give a fish to a man, what will happen? He will eat that fish nicely, enjoy and sleep and over. Next day again nothing is there. But if you give the same skill of how to cultivate the pisciculture or how to know the fish farming, he will be surviving and sustaining for not only years together but also throughout his
और बच्चे आए देखने के लिए, उन्होंने बहुत दिलचस्पी से इसका देखा और समझा। एक बच्चे का सब्जेक्ट नहीं था, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझने की कोशिश की और उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगा। और आपके अनुभव क्या है? हमारा अनुभव ये है कि यहाँ से जो बच्चे आए हैं, उन्होंने जो देखा है उसे समझने को उन्होंने बहुत ही, हमारा अनुभव यही है कि इससे बच्चों को जो बच्चे जानकारी नहीं थी वह भी जानकारी उन्हें प्राप्त हो। धन्यवाद मैडम।
कुछ भी बात करो, लास्ट में करें क्या क्या है?
They have organized your experiences, and please share the experiences whatever you have, and please share whichever you have liked the most. I would like to congratulate the college and all the participants who have participated in the science festival. What I meant is all the exhibits are of different ideas, and all are going to be implemented, given exposure to our future.
your exhibits very neat and clean so that judges will come and they will have a look at your exhibits and prepare yourself for the judges. I welcome Professor M. Madhavi, Department of Zoology, Osmania University. University Postgraduate College, Osmania University. I welcome you all, sirs and madams. Please do the judgments for today's program. InnoFest 2025, the Science Fair, where thinking meets reality.
What are the benefits you tell me? Why not? नहीं बोल रहे.
It is not ergonomic.
हाँ?
Not ergonomic.
Yeah, right side of mosquito. You got any? What the Lakshman explain? Left side, right?
Take your word.
So I would like to explain about NB Science College to you because outcomes are here now. NB Science College, this is the legendary institution. It was established in the year 1954. We are offering two UG courses, two bucket systems. One is Life Sciences bucket and second one is the Physical Sciences bucket. In the Life Sciences, we have botany, zoology, chemistry, nutrition. So nowadays nutrition is very good course. So many people missed their need. After missing the need, if you want to work in hospitals, if you do the nutrition course, BSc nutrition, after that MSc nutrition, you can get the posts, jobs in the hospitals as the dietitian. Because diet awareness is going on in the society right now. Because food style. So many people are habituated to they take the fast food, junk food like that. By studying the nutrition course, you can know about your health food style. So nowadays so many educated people are habituated to take the millet rice, millet food instead of white rice. So such type of all things you can know by studying the MSc nutrition, BSc nutrition here. So in the physical sciences we have a very good branch, that is the data science. Almost all equivalent to BTech computer sciences. So opportunities are same. So our college, one more benefit is for you, we are offering PG courses also. We have MSc Organic Chemistry. In the science subjects, chemistry is a very good subject, having more opportunities. Am I right? So after that, we are having MCA also here. So our college is the best option for you, for your future. Wish you all the best.
This NB Science College is the oldest college. They have started in 1954. in this area. And PG courses are started in 1962, I think, the MSc Chemistry, Organic Chemistry, 30 years. And 2001 onwards, they started with the MCA course also in this college. So nowadays, they are using most of the technologies we have included here, like AI, artificial intelligence. Some are doing here the AI, some are doing the IoT technologies also there. In future, maybe I am including all programs like chemistry with AI, physics with AI, the generative AI comes under here. So that's why they have to improve your skills with new technologies. Thank you.
Professor Dr. M. Madhavi, PhD FAEB, Professor and former Head Department of Zoology. I have also worked as a Chairperson Board of Studies. Presently, I am Chairperson Board of Studies for Satavahana University, Karimnagar, Telangana University, Nizamabad, and BOS member in other multiple universities. NB Science College, which is a very prestigious and momentous college from the Agarwal Siksha Samiti that has completed centenary, completing 100 years of its establishment, not only in Telangana, throughout the nation. I really congratulate each and every organization and organizing member of this establishment foundation college, and I congratulate the principal, vice principal, all the teachers and the dear students who are studying here. And especially today I have been invited here as a chief guest for this science quiz. All the students have performed very well, especially the exhibits. They are in the reality of a skill enhancement course that is the need of the hour. And if the complete skill enhancement courses are in relation with Indian knowledge systems, and this type of curricula is actually the essential mandatory for all the students right from the school to the universities. This is my personal opinion. So when a skill has been given, then definitely the students can thrive very well in their future endeavors. I wish all the very best for all the students as well as the institution and the teachers in this endeavor. Thank you very much.
इस खुसूसी रिपोर्ट को हमारे नुमाइंदे मीर हैदर अली ने आप तक पहुंचाया। अब चॉइस न्यूज़ चीफ एडिटर मोहम्मद महमूद अजहर को इजाज़त दीजिए।